and happy Mother's Day! And as a mommy myself, I truly believe that life is beautiful. Especially, I have 3 beautiful kids. But, come to think of it, hindi man natin gustuhin. Pero life is really unpredictable. Imagine, just imagine, isang critical illness lang. One critical illness that might hit you. Walang pinipiling edad. Diba? So, it can really change everything. Not just emotionally, but financially. So, tara. Samahan niyo ako sa video nito as I discuss 3 top reasons why you should consider Sunfit and Well Advantage. Reason number 1, comprehensive critical illness protection. So you can protect yourself from 114 critical illnesses at early diagnosis or advanced condition. So you can focus more on your recovery and not the expenses. Reason number 2, guaranteed cash benefits and annual wellness benefits. This simply means you will receive cash benefits when diagnosed, plus annual wellness benefits to support your healthy lifestyle. Reason number 3, meron tong limited pay period na pwede kang pumili up to 10, 15, or 20 years. And most especially, this will give you a lifetime protection and savings. This plan will provide you with benefits and dividend that will help you fund for your future. Kaya guys, sa mga mommies, sa mga daddies out there, to all the young professionals, sa lahat ng families and friends ko, always remember that our health is our wealth. So let's protect her today so that your family will have a brighter future. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.